Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to cancel Duolingo subscription. So let's have a look now. Open the Google Play Store app, tap the menu icon and select Payment and Subscriptions. Find Duolingo in the list and tap on it. Tap Cancel Subscription and follow the prompts to confirm. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.